Hello and namaste. Welcome to the new video of online classes. Today we are going to discuss on the topic of ICT tools. I am Pritam Guragain and today we have the following contents. Introduction to ICT tools, hardware tools used in ICT, software tools used in ICT, uses of ICT. Let's proceed towards it. First of all, let us discuss about ICT. Introduction to ICT. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. That means it stands for Information and Communication Technology. It is a set of technological tools and resources used to communicate, create, disseminate, store, and manage information. That means it is a technological tool, it is a set of technological tools and resources that is used to communicate, that is used to create communication. Disseminate means distribute. Store and manage information. It helps to store information, manage information, create information and distribute information. It is a set of technological tools that helps to create information, create information, manage information, store and distribute information. ICT includes any communication devices such as radio, television, cellular phones, computer and network, etc. That means any ICT devices that is used in communication to share the information and create communication. It is a technological tool that share information and create communication. That means all the devices which are used in sharing the information and creating the communication, that is called ICT. ICT also helps in data communication and exchange of information in all over the world. So ICT is used in data communication, sharing of data and exchange of information in all over the world. Now, to use ICT tools, we need ICT tools. Let us discuss what are ICT tools. First of all, ICT tools they are of two types: hardware tools and software tools. But before that, let us discuss what are ICT tools. Information and Communication Technology (ICT) tools are digital infrastructures such as computers, laptops, desktops, data projector, software programs, printer, scanners, and interactive teaching box. That means ICT tools are digital devices, digital infrastructures such as computers, laptops, desktop, data projectors, software programs, printers, scanners, and interactive teaching box. In other words, ICT tools are the devices, objects, and necessary software used in information and communicating such information worldwide easily and effectively. That means ICT tools are simply the devices or objects, or can also be the software which is used to share the information and use as communication worldwide easily and in very effective way. The ICT tools are the latest technology or devices and concept used in information and communication technology among students to students, students to teacher interaction. So ICT tools is the latest technology. ICT tools are the latest technology which are used for information and communication, for sharing information and creating communication among the students or students to teacher. This is basically for educational field. Now let us discuss what are the hardware tools used in ICT. As I just told, there are two types of tools used in ICT: hardware tools and software tools. Let us discuss what are the hardware tools used in ICT. Scanner. Scanner is an input device. It is attached to the computer. It sends hard copy output into the soft copy to the computer. That means the pictures or image in paper can be sent as the software form into the computer with the help of scanner. So it is used to share the information, share the data from one device to other. So it is used as ICT tools, the hardware tools. Printer. Printer is an output device. Printer sends soft copy output into hard copy output. Soft copy output from the computer into hard copy output. In contrast to scanner, printer gives out hard copy output, whereas scanner sends hard copy output into soft copy output. So printer also is used to share the information from the computer. So it is used as ICT tools. Pen drive. Pen drive is a storage device. It is a portable storage device which can transfer the information from one place to other place physically. That means user can transfer the information from one computer to other by carrying it. So it also creates communication by sharing the information. So it is also the hardware tools used in ICT. Projector. Projector is an output device. It is used to display the information in mass number of people. That means many number of people can get the information from the projector at once. It is especially used in seminars or meetings or in presentation, which helps to give the information and create communication. Web camera. Web camera is used as input device. It sends the live picture or image into the computer to process it. That means web camera also sends the data and information into the computer, which creates communication. In addition to it, web camera is used in video conferencing or video chats, which helps to send the video into the computer to create communication. Microphone or mic. Microphone is used as input device. It receives the sound as input and sent into the computer. It creates communication by sending the information in the form of sound or voice. Digital camera. Digital camera captures the real event or video and can be sent into the computer for processing. So, digital camera is also considered to be the ICT tool that is used in ICT, the hardware tools used in ICT. Digital computer. Digital computers are widely used all over the world. Computers are used to communicate and create the communication all over the world. Digital computers are used to send or receive the information all over the world, which creates communication. So, these are the hardware tools. Now let's go to software tools used in ICT. What are software tools used in ICT? Software tools are the logical part or the logical factors that are used to support hardware. That means without hardware there is no use of software, and without software there is no use of hardware. So we need both the hardware and software tools. So we discussed about the hardware tools, and now we are going to discuss about the software tools used in ICT. Let's discuss them one by one. Word processing software. So word processing software means they are based on the text. They are based on the text. A word processing software is an ICT tool that allows us to create, edit, view, format and print text documents in the computer. That means it is based on the text documents. So word processing is the most widely used application program, and we can see Microsoft Word is mostly used. Apart from that, WordPerfect, WordStar or WordPad or Vim Editor are some of the examples of word processing software. Okay, so word processing software helps us to share the information with the help of text. Multimedia software. So multimedia software. Multimedia consists of text, graphics, audio, video and animation. So multimedia is the fastest growing and most exciting area in the field of information technology actually. So multimedia is widely used in every field. Okay, so interactive trainings, computer based trainings, presentation, interactive web pages, computer games, video conferencing, advertisement, etc. So in all these things we use multimedia. So the multimedia has made our lifestyle much more entertaining and interactive. So some of the examples of multimedia software like Adobe Movie Maker or Micromedia Flash or Maya Animation or Windows Media Player. So those are multimedia software which helps us to create information, and creating information also helps to create communication. Okay, so let's go to next one, graphics software. So graphics software are basically they are based on visual representation of image data. Okay, they are basically visual representation of image data. They are created by using special hardware and software. So computer graphics software are used as like ICT tools by different computer professionals such as graphics designer or publishers, photographers. Okay, so this also helps to convey the information, share the information and create communication. So some of the examples of graphics software are Microsoft Paint, Adobe Photoshop or CorelDRAW, Adobe InDesign. Okay, those are the examples of graphics software. Okay, spreadsheet software. So spreadsheet software is used to arrange data in tabular form. That means rows and columns. So we can store the data in tabular form. A spreadsheet can be prepared on computer and that is called electronic spreadsheet. Okay, so we can store the data information and can be shared. Okay, and that creates communication, that is called spreadsheet software. And some of the examples of spreadsheet are like MS Excel, the most popular one, or Quattro Pro, Lotus 123. Okay, those are the examples of spreadsheet software. So now let's go to the next one, presentation software. Presentation software means that are used as ICT tools. So presentation software, those are used to make the presentation more interesting by adding pictures or sounds or videos and animation. Okay, and even teacher can make a presentation on any topic and can teach in the classroom. A business person can present the presentation to promote the sales of the product and can make his or her stuffs up to date to the market. So some of the examples of presentation software are Microsoft PowerPoint, Multimedia Flash, Open Office Impress, etc. The uses of ICT in different fields. What are the uses of ICT in different fields? Actually, in today's world, ICT is used in all the fields. Directly or indirectly, ICT is used in all the fields. So let us discuss some of them briefly. First one, ICT in business. So we can use ICT in business for the sales, for the promotion, for the supplies, for the employees to get the benefit by using ICT. So e-commerce, that means buying and selling using internet. So e-commerce makes buying and selling activities easier and more efficient and faster. For e-commerce, computers, internet, shared software are needed. So using e-commerce, customer can purchase products sitting at their home. So even the sales also can be increased and also the business can boost up. That is how ICT is used in the business. And additionally, in addition to it, advertisements and all are also made by using ICT. ICT in banking. So ICT in banking, bank is one of the very important field where we can save our money safely, and ICT has helped us a lot in making our money safe. So ICT has played a very important role in banking sector. In banking sector, customers, business persons, bank administrators can get from this service, ICT service. So today electronic banking, mobile banking also, isn't it? So those all are providing 24-hour service, which has made its customer much more easier and comfortable to do the banking works. So we do not need the cash, we don't need the money in our hand. Instead, we can have the gadgets which can help in buying and selling the goods and can be paid directly from the bank account. That is how we use ICT in banking. ICT in education. So we in 21st century, it has changed the model of education system. So education in the field of education, ICT has helped a lot in learning, teaching and learning activities. So in education, teachers, students, researchers, administrators can get the benefit of the uses of ICT. They can use ICT for various purposes, like teacher can use ICT for searching teaching materials to teach the student, and also it can make the work more effective and looks attractive as well. So it creates a very interactive environment. The student can ask or teacher can teach in a very fresh environment. So teacher can teach the student very easily, which is all the help of ICT in education. ICT in manufacturing. So in the field of manufacturing, in the field of industry, so ICT has helped a lot. Even the workers, researchers, the administrators can get the benefit of ICT. So workers can use robot to do the dangerous work in the industry. The huge work which is impossible for the human hands can be done by the machines, big machines, easily, and which helps to reduce the operational cost, which helps to reduce the cost of the industry, and also reduce the wastage by the production. So this saves the environment as well, and this helps to make the product cheaper than the human hands. If the product is made by human hand, it takes much more time and it is much more costlier, whereas if it is made by the robots or computer or using ICT, then it is much more cheaper. That is how ICT is used in manufacturing. ICT in health. ICT has helped the health sector a lot. The industry, the ICT has changed the whole system of health field. We can get the advanced technological equipments. We can get the machines which are used for the curing the treatments or curing the patients or treatments for the diseases, and researchers can research very easily and very effective way. Medicines are made with the help of ICT, because computer is known as the very accurate machine and which can give the accurate result. So in the field of health, ICT has helped a lot for the development of the in the field of health. Thank you.